package for video review. I know what is this. This is a new band for an Apple Watch from this company Bandletic, that actually they sent me this one too for the Garmin, so we have both. Let's take a look. Very nice. Actually it's almost the same design as this one. We'll get the Apple Watch and try it. So here we are with the Bandletic Apple Watch band. So let's take it out of here. I really like the design. It has Velcro to secure it. And I'm gonna get rid of this one, which by the way is the same company, and you can see more or less a few of the detail. This is a Garmin, so I use this to, well, I used to run, now I bike mostly. So let's see how this one goes. Well, this is super easy to take out, obviously. And you put them the same way, super easy. There you go. Looks good, it feels good, it's good quality. This is the generic band that comes with the phone, with the Apple Watch. I think this looks better. So let's go for a little bike ride. So this band, beside the Velcro adjustment, has this clip that is super easy to take on and off. It's magnetic, and then it clicks in. So that way it's super secure. And your Apple Watch won't go anywhere. So there you have it. This is a synthetic material, so if you sweat a lot, you can wash it very easily. You saw how you can put it on and off really easy, so thumbs up.